if you want to make a timer in OBS, all you need is OBS, and also you will need the move transition. You will need to type in move transition, which I've already got here. So I'll just press Google search, and you will need to go to Move OBM forums. And this is the move transition by Exeldro. So you go to downloads. You will need to download whatever version you're on. So if you're on Windows, you will click on Windows Installer. Downloaded move transition, so we'll click on that. It will bring up this box. Double click. Now it will come up with Windows protected your PC. So you put more info, run anyway. Now another box will come up, which I don't think you can see. So just press yes, and it'll bring up this box. Click install and then restart OBS. I'm not going to do this because I've already installed it. So that is how to install the move transition. So to make a timer, we will need a text layer. So we're going to call this the 60-second timer. Pick a font, which one you want to use. And I'm going to just call this subscribe, because if you haven't already subscribed, guys, you should subscribe. Now this will change, so don't worry about that. We can't add the move transition to the scenes. We need to add it to the sources. So right click on 60-second timer, go to filters. At the filters, click on the plus button, and you want to move value. Call this timer setup. So we want to leave it on single setting. In the settings, we want to go to text. Change the format type to time format using strf time. And we need to add %m:%s. So for minutes and seconds. And here on the value, we add 60 for 60 seconds. Custom duration, reduce that to 10 milliseconds. Turn off easing. Very important, guys, because you don't want your timer to start slow, speed up in the middle, and then end slow. So turn off easing. So now we're going to duplicate, and we're going to call this 60-second timer. So in value, we need to reduce this to 0, because that's how much we want it to go down to. In the custom duration, 1000 milliseconds is 1 second. So 60, we need to add 3 noughts for 60,000. We want no easing. Go back to timer setup. And the next move, you want to do the 60-second timer. We'll just move it out of the way. And if you click on timer setup, it'll start counting down. If you have a stream deck, you can basically, if I bring the stream deck up. So I brought the stream deck up. So to make this reset itself with a stream deck, you go to OBS. So you need the OBS Studio plugin for your stream deck. You go to filter, you call this 60 seconds. Source would be the 60-second timer. And the filter would be timer setup. So all you have to do then is click on the 60-second timer on your stream deck, and it will restart the timer. So that's how to start it with a stream deck. Now to start it with hotkey, you will need to go to hotkeys, and you will need to scroll down until you find the 60-second timer. And there you go, timer setup. So you'll make a hotkey, say Control T for timer, and then press apply. And then you just Control T, and there's your 60-second timer. So I hope this video has helped, and if it has, please give it a like, drop a comment and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching, guys.